Introducing the Yamaha RX135, a legend reborn. Body, performance, visual close-ups of the engine, exhaust, and tires. Narrator. With its powerful 135cc engine and advanced technology, the RX135 delivers unmatched performance. Feel the thrill of the open road as you accelerate with lightning speed. Design. Visual panning shots of the bike, highlighting its classic lines and modern features. Narrator. The RX135 is a masterpiece of design, combining timeless aesthetics with cutting-edge engineering. Its sleek silhouette and aggressive stance make it a head-turner wherever you go. Technology. Visual. Quick cuts of various features, such as the digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and advanced suspension. Narrator. Packed with innovative technology, the RX135 offers a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. From its precise handling to its advanced safety features, every detail has been designed to enhance your journey. Outro. Visual. The RX135 parked in a scenic location, with the sun setting in the background. Narrator. The Yamaha RX135, more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of passion, performance, and timeless style. Experience the legend for yourself. Tagline. Ride the legend. Note: consider adding sound effects, music, and voiceover to enhance the overall impact of the script. You may also want to include testimonials from satisfied customers or professional riders.